Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be installing this glueless wig in literally 2 minutes. If you want to see that, continue watching. Today's hair sponsor is In Unice hair. I've worked with In Unice hair, oh my goodness, so many times on my channel. I love their wigs. I'll continue to work with them because I always get beautiful wigs. Now, what do I have installed today? I have a 20-inch 5x5 body wave wig.
You prey on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't want you. Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like
I did everything off camera. I bleached the knots. This is what they look like up close. And I cut this off and I curled her. I'm just adjusting the band because it does make a difference if you're going to be wearing it glueless. We're just gonna do no baby hairs today. Just adjusting this stuff is really tight. You definitely don't need to wear any glue. Like 100%, you do not need to wear glue. So I am going for the volume towards the front of the face. So I'm not going to be pressing that down too much.
Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like
Okay, and to finish off the look, you guys know that I'm going to go in with some Bio Silk.
Something just ain't right by you. Yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many. No one knew you like
This is also a pre-plucked hairline, and it did come slightly pre-bleached. I don't know what density this is. If I can find out, I will let you guys know. It's giving me 150% density, and 20 inch is right on for 20 inch. It's not giving me longer than that. It's definitely, yeah, 20 inch. That's what you get. What you see is what you get with this wig. I did re-bleach the knots on this unit. When companies bleach knots, some of them bleach them really well, and some of them are like almost scared to bleach them. So the knots are still very much visible. Those little knots that you see on wigs, we don't want to see that. What makes the wig look most realistic is when you bleach that so it hides it, it gives scalp. Like right here, you would have seen a whole bunch of knots right up here, but now you no longer see that because they're bleached. So I recommend, you know, for the companies that are bleaching knots, go in with some more bleach or leave that on for just a little longer. The girls will be happy about it. This hair is very soft. As you can tell, it looks very soft. Some of the softest I've felt for Unice hair. So I'm really impressed with that. It is looking kind of thin on the ends. It's a little lackluster for the ends for me, but it's okay. It's just giving natural. This is a wig for the everyday woman. I like bringing you guys options for, you know, the moms or the people that have office jobs or jobs where you don't want 28 inches of hair. You know, you want something natural looking. So this is a very natural looking wig. And when you're done with it, you just literally take it off. And when you put it on and you wear glueless, look at that up close, you guys. It's giving invisible. So that lace is really good. I did not tint the lace or anything like that, and it curled really well. So this is one that I would recommend. I didn't have to do any baby hairs on this unit because it's beautiful. So why mess with something that's already good? Look how silky this hair looks. Check them out. I'm gonna leave all the information to Unice Hair in the description box. If there's a coupon code, it's gonna be there as well. So don't forget to check that out before you go. I gotta go. I'll catch you later in another video. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it and leave me a comment on your thoughts. Bye.